journey of yoga teacher training course. My name is Zil and I started this transformative experience to understanding of yoga, especially yoga teacher training course from SMYA Yoga Academy. Throughout this course, I had the privilege of not only just learning the physical postures and breathing techniques, but also the profound philosophy and spiritual well-being. It was a holistic education that was not only touched my body but also my mind and spirit. One of the most aspects that has been opportunity to share what I have learned. Now I am teaching yoga to fellow seekers and guiding them on their path towards their holistic spiritual well-being and witnessing their growth and transformation that has been truly rewarding. I am grateful to Yogacharya Sri Mahesha and his team for their guidance and wisdom. Om Anand.